How to set up multiple Instagram accounts on one phone. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to set up multiple Instagram accounts on one phone. To start this tutorial, open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. Once you are here or ready, the next step is to click on your profile on the bottom right. And then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time, and then click on Settings. In here, you have the option to add an account. All you have to do is scroll down and look for this button over here. And then you can either log into an existing account or create a new one. In this case, input your details from your username and password. Go ahead, take your time. Once done, long press on your profile photo on the bottom right, and as you can see here, there are multiple accounts already on my mobile phone. And I can switch to them anytime that I want. All I have to do is bring that one up and click on the profile that I want to use. And it's simple as that. You can switch anytime you want to, using the same Instagram account or the same Instagram application. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you on the next one.